Okay, now start the next exercise of triangles. For this exercise, we should know the three theorems. We are not going to prove this theorem, but just we have to know what are these theorems. We will prove these theorem later. Suppose these are the triangles. You know what are the similar triangles? The similar triangles are those which have equal angle or the ratio of the sides are equal.
Same property.
Don't have the same properties. Actually, their angles are equal. क्या आप कह सकते हो कि अगर ये छोटा एंगल है, ये छोटा सा ट्रायंगल है, और ये बड़ा भी इसके सिमिलर हो सकता है, जिसकी सारे एंगल्स इक्वल हैं. Okay? If all the angles of these two triangles are equal, then we can say they are the similar triangles. So it means for the similarity, what are the conditions which are necessary for the two triangles to have? That's why we can say they are the similar triangles. So there are three conditions, three theorems regarding the similar triangles. Suppose two triangles have same angles, at least two angles are same. If two angles are same, we know that the third angle will also be equal because the sum of all the angles is 180. So if this angle is equal to this one and this angle is equal to this one, so we can say the third angle will also equal. So this similarity is called angle-angle similarity. It means the two triangles have this two equal angles. So these similarity is called angle-angle similarity. Have you remember the congruency? There is a SAS or SSS. There is just like this congruency, we have also the theorems for the similarity. If two triangles have the same angles, then we will say they are the similar triangles. Or if two triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding sides are also equal. Means if this triangle is similar to this one, it means the ratio of their corresponding sides means AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DE. Okay? If the angles of the triangles are equal, then we will say they are the similar triangles, and similar triangles have the equal ratio of their sides. Okay? Now second one, two triangles can be similar if suppose these are the two triangles and the ratio of their sides are equal. Suppose AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Now in this case we have the ratio of three sides which are equal to each other. So if two triangles have same ratio of their sides, it means these triangles are similar and the angles corresponding to their the corresponding angles will also be equal. Means angle A will be equal to angle B, angle B will be equal to angle Q, angle C will be equal to angle R. वाइस वर्सा अपन एक दूसरे के हैं. अगर एंगल्स इक्वल है तो आप कहोगे साइड्स का रेशियो इक्वल होता है, और अगर साइड्स का रेशियो इक्वल है तो आप कहते हैं एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं. ठीक? और अगर आपके पास साइड्स का रेशियो इक्वल है, इसलिए ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर, ट्रायंगल्स इक्वल होंगे. उसी तरह से यहाँ पे आपने बोला कि अगर एंगल्स इक्वल है तो साइड्स के रेशियो इक्वल होते हैं. एक चीज और, इसको बोलते हैं SSS सिमिलैरिटी. ठीक? SSS साइड सिमिलैरिटी. ठीक? सेकंड थ्योरम. Now third one, two triangles can be similar. These are the two triangles A, B, C and PQR. Suppose these are the two triangles and the ratio of the two sides are equal. Any sides, it can be AB upon PQ is equal to suppose AC upon PR. It can be BC upon QR, but any two sides. If the ratio of any two sides are equal and the angle between these sides are also equal, it means that angle A is equal to angle B. तो दो साइड का रेशियो इक्वल है और उनके बीच का एंगल इक्वल है, तो उसको आप बोलते हो SAS similarity. Okay? So there are three theorems regarding the similarity, that is angle-angle, SSS and SAS. Okay? Now we are not going to prove this theorem. We will prove it later. But now we are going to do some questions based on these three theorems. One more important thing is this, that you should always write the correct sequence of the similarity. Means, look at it. These are the two triangles, ABC triangle P. So the sequence is, if you are writing like this, A, B, C, similar to triangles. So what can be the sequence of the other triangle? QRK should be QRK. Shrishti, हाँ सृष्टि, look at it. पीछे की तरफ चाहिए. तो सही सीक्वेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर आप देख रहे हो ए बी सी, तो ए के साथ का एंगल कौन सा है? क्यू है. बी के साथ आर है. ठीक है, तो आपका जो सही सीक्वेंस है वो आएगा ट्रायंगल क्यू आर. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर सिमिलैरिटी दैट यू शुड ऑलवेज राइट द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ द सिमिलैरिटी, because it will help you to write the ratio of the sides. It means अगर आपने सीक्वेंस सही लिखा है तो रेशियो कैसे मिलता है? आपको देखो, ये आएगा ए बी अपॉन क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू बी सी अपॉन आर पी इज इक्वल टू ए सी अपॉन क्यू पी. So it's very easy to write the ratio of the sides if you are writing the correct sequence of the triangles, similar triangles. Okay. Now we will do some questions of 6.3 exercise, and I am going to ask you the questions. This is the first question. You don't need to open your book now. Look at here. Don't open your book. These are the two triangles, okay? And the angle are 60, 60, 80, 80 and 44. The question is this. State which pair of triangles in this figure are similar and write the similarity criteria used for you for answering the question, and also write the pair of the similar triangles in the symbolic form. Can you say these triangles are similar or not? Yes. Priyanshu? Priyanshu, these triangles are similar or not?
Similar.
Why they are similar? Why they are similar? Angle similarity. So you will write like this: in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we know that angle is equal to angle P, each 60. Angle B is equal to angle Q, each 80. And third one you can write here, like angle C is equal to angle R, each 40. So we can say by angle, or we can say angle similarity. By angle similarity, triangle ABC. Priyanshu, what is the correct sequence of the other triangle?
PQR.
Yeah, it will be PQR. So this is the first question. I think it's so easy. So you can do yourself. Okay. Question first. Okay, now one more question for you. This is the last question. Priyanshu Swal, he will explain to you. Is these triangles are similar or not? This is 70, 80, 80 and 30. Are these triangles are similar or not? Priyanshu, think yourself. What can be the value of this angle? What can be the value of this angle? You know the sum of all the angles are 180. So if these two triangles are 70 and 80, then this will be 30. And by Angle-Sum property we can also find the value of this angle. It will be 70 obviously, because the sum of all the angles is 180 always it is 180. So these triangles are similar by angle similarity. And what is the correct sequence of the similarity? Suppose DEF is similar to PQR, because D is 70 and P is also 70. So PQR. This is the first question. Now the second one. Second question is, and this is 125, and triangle OCD, ODC and OBA. It is given the question that these two triangles are similar to each other. That is OBC is similar to triangle ODC similar to OBA. These are the two similar triangles. Okay, it is given the question. An angle BOC is equal to 125. Angle CDO is equal to 70. Then you have to find first angle DOC, this one, and DCO, this one, and this one. Ritika, how can you find this angle? X. How can you find it?
Ma'am, first you have to plus all the angles, angle DOC plus angle BOC
Okay.
equals to 180.
180. What is the property? Linear pair. Very good. We know that these two angles are formed in a straight line. So we will say these are the linear pair angle, and we know that the sum of the linear pair is always 180. So 125 plus x is equal to 180, so that we can find the value of x. And what is about the y? How can you find y? Can you? Hindu. Yes. Hindu?
Ma'am, after solving it by the linear equation, we'll get 55 as x. Ma'am, then we'll add the 70.
What is the value of this x?
Ma'am, 55.
55. Okay, then?
Ma'am, then we'll plus 70 plus 55 plus y is equal to 180.
What is this property?
Ma'am, angles and property.
Angles and property. So by using the angles and property, we know that, sit down please. We know that this angle is 55 and this one is 70, so we can find the value of y. Yeah? So you can find the value of y. And how can you find the value of z? It is given that these two angles are similar to each other. Siddhanshu.
Then y is equal to z.
Y is equal to z. How can you say that y is equal to z?
Then we go alternate.
They are not alternate angles. Actually, they are not. The lines are not parallel to each other. Because these triangles are similar to each other, and we know that angle C is equal to angle A.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is the correct sequence of the similarity. So we can say angle O is equal to angle O, angle D is equal to angle D, and angle C is equal to angle A. So angle C will be equal to the angle A by similarity. Good, Siddharth. Siddharth, please. This is the question second. I think you can do yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? No need to write this question on the board. Now the question third. On the page here. This is the base here ABCD, in which AB is parallel to DC. These lines are parallel to each other. Diagonals intersect at O, and diagonals are intersect at O. Using the similarity criteria, prove that. Same question you did in exercise 6.2, but the method to prove that question is different from this one, and this is a very easy method. By using the similarity, you can easily prove this one. कल जो किया था वो बहुत मुश्किल था, याद है? लाइन पैरेलल कंस्ट्रक्ट करी थी, फिर प्रूव किया था बीबीडी लगा के. Now we are not using the BBD, we are using the similarity criteria, and we have to prove that OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. कौन बताएगा? निशान.
Construction.
No need to construct any construction. Don't need any construction. You can use similarity. If any triangles are equal in these two triangles, you can prove that these triangles are similar, and so that you can prove the ratio of the triangles are also equal. Just think about the similarity, that is angle similarity, SSS similarity, and SCS similarity. Which similarity you can use to prove these triangles are similar to each other? These lines are parallel to each other.
Side.
Side, actually we are not going to prove congruency. वी आर यूजिंग ओनली सिमिलैरिटी। साइड्स तो इक्वल होने का मतलब कि वेक्टर हमें चाहिए नहीं, या तो साइड्स के रेशियो इक्वल हो या फिर एंगल्स इक्वल हो या फिर ऐसे सिमिलैरिटी लगती हो। रितिका बताना चाहती है कोई और? दिशा दिशा से कहा खड़े हुए हो तुम तो बिल्कुल ऐसे लग रहा है झूला झूल रहे हो। हाँ
एंगल ओडीए
एंगल ओडीए
इज इक्वल टू एंगल डी
ओडीए
ओडीए
अच्छा
इज इक्वल टू एंगल ओसीडी।
कुछ भी
देखो ना दो एंगल मिल
यूं ही
जाएंगे
पर
सिमिलर लेकर दिखा है।
रितिका
In triangle AOB and triangle BOC,
ओके
angle OAB equals to angle COD.
एंगल COD नो
DC इक्वल टू
साइड तो ना हमें चाहिए भी, या तो साइड के रेशियो
मैं यहाँ पे साइड
Angle A
साइड
equals to
साइड इक्वल नहीं है। अच्छा साइड इक्वल नहीं है, लाइंस पैरेलल है। आप पैरेलल में क्यों नहीं ध्यान दे रहे हो?
मैम एरिया ऑफ एंगल
एरिया नहीं चाहिए हमें। चलो
angle
फाइन
A equals to angle C.
क्यों व्हाई should also know the reason for any
Alternate.
solution. They are alternate angle. Very good. Since these lines are parallel to each other, so we can say these angles are alternate angles. And for the similarity, we need only the angle. Angles should be equal or the ratio of the sides should be equal. So here in this question, we can prove that this angle is equal to this one. They are alternate angles.
Angle B equals to
Yeah, angle this one is also equal to this one.
alternate.
And they are. So vertically opposite angles. So by angle similarity, we can prove that these triangles are similar to each other. Huh? What should be the sequence of the similarity? It means suppose I am writing here OCD, similar to. Now who is going to tell me the sequence? Now who will you Kashish. Okay, Kashish. What should be the sequence of this triangle? OCD is similar to. अच्छा जब तक आप बोलोगे नहीं गलत सही कुछ भी बोला करो तो पता कैसे चलेगा आपको कुछ आया कि नहीं आया? OAB या गुड। देखो O के साथ वाला एंगल O ही है ना, O के साथ O लिखो। और C के साथ जो एंगल है वो कौन सा है? A है। तो हमने C के साथ लिखा A और लास्ट में D और D के साथ एंगल कौन सा है? B है। तो आप लिख सकते हो B। ये आ गया सिमिलरिटी। गुड। Now, by this similarity, if you write the say sequence, correct sequence of the similarity, then you can easily write the ratio of the ratio of the sides. So, what should be the ratio? Abhishek na? हाँ Abhishek. What is the ratio of the sides?
OD upon OA.
OD upon OA. कुछ भी. अब ये बताया ना, ये ना OC upon OA is equal to CD upon AB.
OD upon OB.
Yes. If you are writing the correct sequence, then use the sequence and write the ratio of the sides. That is OC upon OA is equal to CD upon AB is equal to OD upon OB. Okay, I think we should write this question properly. First, write given the question. Sit down there. Write the given the question. Given ABCD is the trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC and diagonals intersect at O. This is all given in the question. And OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. This is to prove. We have to prove that. To prove is OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Okay. Now there is no construction, so we will write only the proof. Okay, who is going to tell me what should I write here? What should I write here? Anas.
Angle C equals to angle A.
First of all, write the name of the triangle which you are going to similar.
In triangle DOC and AO.
In triangle DOC and triangle
AO.
DOC. If you are writing DOC, then you should also write the correct sequence, that is
BOA.
BO. BOA. Okay.
Angle C equals to angle B.
Don't try to read the name angle C. Actually, angle C is this one. Angle C is also this one. Is angle C. Is also this one. Is angle C. Now give us say
Angle DC.
angle DCO. Should be angle DCO is equal to angle
BAO.
BAO.
हाँ BAO. BAO. These are alternate angles. Okay, and angle Anas.
CDO.
Angle CDO is equal to angle ABO. ABO. They are also alternate angles. So by angle similarity, we can prove that triangle DOC is similar to triangle DOA. Anas, what should be the ratio of the sides?
And DO.
Which are equal?
DO upon DO.
DO upon BO
OC upon OA.
is equal to CO upon OA, and I think it's enough for us because we have to prove only this one. है ना, यही प्रूव करना था आपको, तो इससे आगे लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको इतना प्रूव करना है, हम उसको थोड़ा सा चेंज कर लेते हैं, आगे पीछे एक्सचेंज कर देते हैं, है ना, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, तो आपके बन जाएगा OA upon OC is equal to BO upon OD. प्रूफ? Question third. Now the question fourth. Question number 4. This is the figure of the question. P, Q, R, and this line PS join PR. This angle is 2 and this angle is 1. In this question, it is given that QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR, and also angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is given in the question, and you have to prove that. To prove triangle PQS is similar to triangle PQR. Who is going to explain this question? How can we do this question? You have to prove that triangle PQS, this triangle, is similar to PQR, this large triangle. How can you prove these triangles are similar to each other? It is given that these ratios are equal and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. हाँ ऐसे लगेगा, लेकिन कैसे यूज करोगे बताओ, फिर लगाओ दिमाग.
Angle P equal to angle D.
Angle P is equal to angle D. No,
Angle Q.
these lines are not parallel to each other. PS और P are parallel to each other. ये दिया angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It is given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. What will you find? What?
And angle Q equals to angle R.
नहीं. If it is given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2,
Then
what property which we can use? No.
Yes.
देखो जो भी क्वेश्चन में दिया होता है ना वो एक हिंट होती है, तो ये हिंट एंगल 1 is equal to angle 2. आप कह रहे हो ए से, मुझे बताओ ये ट्रायंगल है और एक ये ट्रायंगल, दोनों में एंगल तो दोनों में कॉमन है, फिर ट्रायंगल 1 is equal to angle 2, ऐसे क्या मिलेगा आपको? हाँ रितिका,
Angle 1 equals to angle 2 B1.
हाँ.
Angle Q equals
I think you have 2 books. What are you doing with the 2 books?
one is round.
3 notebooks. What are you doing with 3 notebooks? Huh? What is this? What is this? बंद करो इसको. Okay.
Angle Q equals to angle R, suppose opposite
sorry, side opposite triangle one is PR and side opposite triangle 2 is PQ. So it means PQ is equal to PR. जब भी कुछ क्वेश्चन में दिया होता है ना तो वो क्वेश्चन की हिंट होती है, आपको पता करना होता है दिया क्यों, इसका मतलब कुछ तो मिलता होगा हमें उससे. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is PQ is equal to PR. Now what is the ratio? QR upon QS. QR upon QS. ये साइड तो सही है, रेशियो तो बिल्कुल सही है. देखो बड़ा ट्रायंगल चाहिए और एक छोटा ट्रायंगल चाहिए, तो दोनों में ये साइड तो में रेशियो मिल ही रहा है ना, एक तो रेशियो मिल रहा है. आगे है QT upon PR. QT upon PR. अगर QT upon QP होता तो आप ट्रायंगल सिमिलर कर सकते थे या नहीं, है ना. देखो ये छोटा ट्रायंगल और ये बड़ा ट्रायंगल, ये दो साइड्स के रेशियो हमें मिल गए, ये भी मिल गया और इसके साथ बस ये नहीं मिला और एंगल 1 तो दोनों में कॉमन ही है, ऐसे ऐसे लग सकती है. तो क्या करेंगे फिर, एक बार फिर से बोलिए, ठीक बताना आपको, ये मैंने बताना. आपके पास जो रेशियो दिया है वो क्या है, वो ये है QR upon Q. देखो सोचो, आपको ये ट्रायंगल और ये बड़ा ट्रायंगल आपको सिमिलर करना है और लाइंस तो पैरेलल दी रही हैं, तो हम कॉन्वेंसी तो लगा नहीं सकते, सॉरी सिर्फ करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल वाला तो यूज नहीं कर सकते, तो यानी एंगल एंगल सिमिलरिटी तो गई. ठीक, अब साइड के लिए हमारे पास जो रेशियो दिए हैं उसमें एक सिर्फ गलत है कि यहाँ PR दिया है. देखो QS अपॉन सॉरी QR अपॉन QS. जब आप ये ट्रायंगल और ये ट्रायंगल सिमिलर करना चाहते हो तो साइड्स कौन कौन सी है, QR अपॉन QS. तो QT के साथ क्या आना चाहिए, QP आना चाहिए, लेकिन QP की जगह क्वेश्चन में PR दे दिया. हाँ, आपने अभी प्रूव किया, you proved that PR is equal to PQ. So we can write PQ in the place of PR. So we can say that QR upon QS is equal to QT upon QP. And angle 1 is common for both the triangles. इसके लिए भी और इसके लिए भी. Angle 1 दोनों के लिए कॉमन है. कौन सी सिमिलरिटी लग गई, ऐसे है ना, ऐसे साइड एंगल साइड. आगे समझ में कोई डाउट है किसी को? मेरे ख्याल से लिखवा देती हूँ आपको, लिख लेंगे इस क्वेश्चन को. Question number 4, given to prove, you can write yourself. I'm writing only proof. Proof. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is given in the question. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is PQ is equal to PR. Nishan, which theorem we are using in this part, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 2, so PQ is equal to PR.
Sides opposite angle.
Equal angles are also equal. Side opposite equal angles are also equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are also equal. Okay? So QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. This is given in the question. So we can say QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PQ. We can write equation 1 and we can use here this equation from equation 1. From equation 1. So we can write in triangle PQS and triangle PQR. We know that QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PQ. Proof above. And angle Q is equal to angle Q common. So by SAS similarity, triangle PQS similar to triangle PQR. Any doubt? Just it out. Are you getting these questions or not? Question 4. Ranjan, have you this question? Now the question number 5. I think you can do yourself the next questions. They are so easy. Yeah, this one? Huh? Question number 5. S and T are the points on the side PR and QR of triangle PQR. This is a triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, S and T are the points on PR, S and on QR, T. If angle P is equal to, this angle is equal to angle RTS is equal to this angle, then prove that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. This is the question. In this triangle, these are the 2 points such that this angle is equal to this one. Okay? And you have to prove angle RPQ is similar to RTS. Okay. Simple question. कौन बता रहा है कैसे करना है क्वेश्चन? Who will try this question? Priyanshu? We have 3 similarity, na? Angle, SSS and SS. So, अब देखो कौन सी similarities आप prove कर सकते हो. This similarity we can use in these 2 triangles. How can we use AA?
Angle P equals to angle
P.
P equals to angle RTS.
This angle is equal to this one.
Angle R equals to angle R.
Very good, very good. In these 2 triangles, इसको देखो ध्यान से देखो. ये triangle एक बड़ा और एक ये है. एक तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल एक तो ऑलरेडी दिए हुए हैं. और इस triangle का ये एंगल और इस triangle का ये एंगल कॉमन है ना? हो गया triangle सिमिलर? कौन सी लगी सिमिलरिटी? एंगल सिमिलरिटी. गुड रितिका, वेरी गुड. सीक्वेंस, ओके, सीक्वेंस चलो पूछते हैं. ठीक है. आरटीएस का सही सीक्वेंस. प्रियांशु, आरटीएस का सही सीक्वेंस बताओ. यस. सिमिलरिटी का सीक्वेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर आप सही सीक्वेंस कर दो तो क्वेश्चन काफी सही हो जाता है. हाँ, सही सीक्वेंस का मतलब है एंगल्स देखो कौन कौन से इक्वल है. आर वाला किसके इक्वल है? आर जो है वो आर के भी इक्वल है. जो एंगल टी है ये टी के इक्वल है. अब बचा क्यू. ठीक है, तो सही सीक्वेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कैन यू सर? यस. हाँ, ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 6. This is the figure of the question. Question 6. ABC is a triangle. ABE. Okay. ABE is congruent to. It is given in the question that these triangles are congruent to each other. Congruent means they are just like each other. They are just like each other. All the sides are equal. Corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Show that you have to prove that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. You have to prove these 2 triangles are similar to each other, ADE and ABC. It is given that these triangles, this one and this one, they are congruent to each other. Congruent means all the sides are equal or angles are corresponding angles are equal. So how can you prove these triangles are similar to each other? कुछ आ रहा है दिमाग में तो बताओ. हाँ प्रियांशु. आवाज है आपकी? कोई बोल रहा था? बच्चे एसएस कैसे लगाओगे बताओ? कहाँ दे रखा है? कॉन्वेंट दिया कॉर्नर कौन कौन से दे रखे हैं?
अगर कॉर्नर है तो
अगर हमसे ये कहा गया है कि ये ट्रायंगल और ये ट्रायंगल कॉर्नर है, इसका मतलब क्या है कि एक तो साइड AD और साइड AE इक्वल है, ये मतलब है ना। दूसरा
मैम एंगल एबी
बच्चा एक मिनट, दूसरा हमें क्या पता है कि जो साइड AB है वो साइड AC की भी इक्वल दे रखी है, कॉर्नर है ना। एंगल्स का तो कोई काम ही नहीं है इसमें। अब सोचो कैसे प्रूव कर सकते हो कि these two triangles are similar?
Angle side angle.
But how will you use angle side angle is not any similarity. S is similarity, but how will you use similarity as?
Side AB.
Side AB.
Angle A.
Angle A is common in both the triangles. And
AD upon AB.
AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. But how will you prove?
Ma'am, AE upon AC.
AE upon AC. We know that these are equal. But how will you prove that AE upon AC is equal to AD upon AB? How will you prove it?
Ma'am, isosceles triangle.
आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल है बेटा, लेकिन आप ये कैसे दिखाओगे कि दोनों साइड के रेशियो इक्वल है? सिमिलर तो नहीं दिया हुआ ना।
मैम वो isosceles है, अगर
हाँ।
अंदर वाला भी isosceles है, तो उसका आपको बड़ा
ये कह दो कि लिखना नहीं आ रहा, कोई बात नहीं, कैसे करते हैं इसको?
लाइन पहले तो रेशियो
बट ये लाइन पैरेलल दी नहीं है, साइड इक्वल दी हुई है खाली। आप ये कह सकते हो कि AD इज इक्वल टू A के दिया हुआ है ना, और AB इज इक्वल टू AC के दिया हुआ है, ये तो दिया हुआ है। आप ये कर सकते हो, दोनों इक्वेशंस को डिवाइड कर दो। क्यों? We know that AD is equal to AE and AB is equal to AC. So by dividing both the equations, we will find AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. यही चाहिए था हमें। दो साइड के रेशियो, बीच में एंगल ए तो कॉमन है ही दोनों में, तो एंगल ए कॉमन आ जाएगा और आप प्रूव कर दोगे बाय SAS दोनों ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है। अब मुझे बताओ ये क्वेश्चन मुझे लिखवाना है या आप कर सकते हैं? क्लियर, बिल्कुल सही बताओ। अगर आप कर सकते हो तो अच्छा है, नहीं कर सकते हो तो मैं लिखवा दी, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। करवा दो, चलो गिव इट टू प्रूफ, अपने आप लिखेंगे। नाउ वी स्टार्ट विद प्रूफ। प्रूफ फर्स्ट वी कैन से AD is equal to E, और इसमें आप लिख सकते हो साइड्स ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स, साइड्स ऑफ congruent triangles, ठीक है। AD is equal to E, equation 1, and AB is equal to AC. These are also the sides of congruent triangles. Corresponding side, we should write one place corresponding side. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. So by dividing both the equation, AD upon AD is equal to AE upon AC. यहाँ लिख सकते हैं आप by dividing equation 1 by equation 2. Okay. Now for both the triangles, in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, you can say AD upon AD is equal to AE upon AC. Proved above. And angle A is equal to angle A, common. So by SAS similarity, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Proved. Question 7. The figure of question 7 is given. compute AD. अभी हुआ नहीं है डेजी? निशांत हैव इट? Complete? This is the question number 7. And it is given that these lines are perpendicular to each other. It means these lines are perpendicular on this one and this one is perpendicular on this one. AD perpendicular on BC and C perpendicular on AD. And question number 7 okay. First, you have to prove that first triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. तो एक एक करके स्टार्ट करते हैं. बहुत सारे पार्ट्स हैं, बहुत इजी पार्ट्स हैं. हाँ, अनस बताएगा पहले. अनस, how can you prove AEP? This triangle is similar to CDP. CDP is which one? Yes. How can you prove these triangles are similar? For basic maths, even you should know NCERT. Basic maths से maths नहीं आएंगे ऐसा तो नहीं. And it's so easy. How can you prove these triangles are similar to each other? Achal, these two triangles, you have to prove these two triangles are similar. Huh? By लगाओ, ऐसे लगाओ. Shristi, Sudhanshu,
An angle in triangle
AEP and
CDP.
CDP.
An angle EDB. No, PDB.
Okay, PDC.
PDB.
PDC. This angle is
Equal to angle AEP.
AEP. Why?
90.
Each 90. Okay, good. Second, this angle. Okay, this one is equal to. They are vertically opposite. So we can prove these triangles are similar by angle similarity. Fairness? Chesty, Achal. Second part. For second part, now we have to prove angle. Sudhanshu, sit on that. ABD is similar to triangle CBE. ABD and CBE. ABD. Okay, this whole triangle. ABD. This one, Priyanshu. Look at here. यहाँ देखो. ABD और CBE. Angle B is equal to angle B common. और बोलो. हाँ, both 90. Angle D. This angle is equal to angle E. Each 90. So by angle inverse similarity, these triangles are similar to each other. Now the third part. Triangle AEP similar to ADB. AEP is equal to AEP is similar to ADB. ADB, okay. ये छोटा वाला और ये बड़ा वाला. नहीं, ये बताइए. इंदु. ये this triangle and this one. How do we can prove these triangles are similar?
Angle A is equal to angle A.
Angle is common in both the triangles, and we can take the benefit of perpendiculars.
Ma'am, angle E is equal to angle D.
Angle E, this angle is equal to this one, each 90. And by angle similarity, we can prove that these triangles are similar. Very good. And the last one, I think we can use योरसेल्फ। मैम खड़ी है बाहर। ओके चलिए जी, इस एक्सरसाइज को आप कंप्लीट करेंगे, जो भी डाउट्स होते हैं उनको कर लेते हैं। ठीक है, ओके बाय। Yes, why not?